Nothing hurts a trader's ego like watching a stock zoom straight up without them. But chasing it is the fastest way to lose money. Amateurs let FOMO force them into buying overbought stocks at peak prices. Professionals know the market is an endless conveyor belt of new opportunities. Rule 1 is adoption of the abundance mindset. Think of stock setups like city buses. If you miss one, another high-probability setup is already on the way. Rule 2 is respecting risk-to-reward math. When a stock surges past its breakout trigger, the stop-loss gap becomes too wide to safely trade. Buying an extended stock completely breaks your risk parameters. If you miss the rule-based entry, your strict rule must be walk away. You only enter when the market gives you a brand new, low-risk setup with a tight, pre-calculated stop-loss. Acquire time-tested behavioral strategies designed to keep you calm, objective, and profitable alongside your corporate career.
Stop chasing green bars and start trading with absolute emotional discipline. Build your systematic investing edge under expert mentorship today.
Elevate your trading edge today. Head over to equityteacher.com or call 9850965556 to get started right now.